Hello, today I want to introduce a packing machine for you. As you can see, usually customers they want to pack this product inside to the bag, and in here I would like to show you. There is total eight feeder vibration, eight vibration feeders, and five feeder is for the M4 to M10 screw, and another three feeder is for the nut washers, something simple like this. And in here, we also need two platforms for manual feedings. It's for feedings, and also we we search the programming in case in future you will need. And in here, yeah, it's a manual feeding device. It's for long school. It's up to 150. So you can to put the school manual inside. And one thing I want to say is about this May packing machine. It's suitable for small bags. If for bigger bags, something like another one, you need to a bigger model packing machines. So it depends on your bags. 呢個冇單買機啊！